Right, in this video we're going to be looking at straight line equations. So I want to plot this straight line, y equals x plus 5. Now I've got these points here to help me plot the straight line, but where did I get these points from? Well, to begin with I need to make a table. So I pick 3 points of x from this graph and I spread them out a little bit, so I don't choose 0, 1 and -1. And what I want to do is now work out the y coordinate. So y equals x, and in this case x is -3. So we're going to make it -3 plus 5. So -3 plus 5 is 2. And you can see here that we've plotted -3, 2. So let me just scribble on there, -3 plus 2. That's one of the points that I've plotted. Now I always choose 0. You can see through all of these that we're going to do, I've chosen 0. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and there's my second point here at 0, 5, and 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3, 8. Now once I've got those, I need to make sure that they're all in a straight line. So these are all in a straight line. If they're not, I've made a mistake with my calculation, and that's why I always choose 3, because if you choose 2, you may make a mistake, but if with 3, if they're in a straight line, there's going to be no mistake. Now I want to draw the straight line, so I just join through the different points. So I've got y equals x plus 5. Now I don't stop here at my first plot and stop here. I draw the line that covers the whole graph. Okay, let's look at the second one, which is y equals 2x minus 3. And I'm just going to go through the table and then we'll plot. And in fact, we'll do all 3 tables and then plot the line. So -2 goes into here, so it becomes 2 times -2 minus 4 minus another 3 minus 7. And you can actually see there that I've plotted -7 against the -2. -2 minus 7. Okay, my favourite number 0 goes in, 0 goes into there, and I get -3 out. So 2 times 0 is 0, minus 3. 4 goes in, 2 4s are 8, take away 3 is 5. And again, you can see that I've plotted 4, 5, 0, -3, and -2, 7. So if I go on to my line, now all I have to do is draw my line through all of those points. Okay, the third one. Now this one's slightly different. This often catches people out. This actually says y equals -x. So if I make x -3, it's going to be -3. Okay, so y is going to be 3. Because y is negative of x, and if x is already a negative, we get 3. Let's jump into this one. X is 3, so y equals -3. And if x is 0, then y is also 0. And I've plotted those points again here. So if I come onto here, and I click that line, that's y equals -x. And finally, I've got one here as a half. Now I'm very careful with the fractions to make sure I choose numbers. I've chosen even numbers here rather than odd numbers like -3, because I'm going to do -4 times -1/2, which is going to give me +2. So I'm going to have 4 plus 2. I'm going to write 6 in here. So let's just check that I've plotted that correctly. -4 plus 6. My favourite number is 0. 0 goes into there, that's nothing, so this one's going to be 4. Okay, so 0, 4 is plotted right there, if you've got good eyesight. And 2 goes in, so -1/2 of 2 is -1, so it's 4 minus 1. 3, 2 3's there, and I can just plot my line going straight through like that. So start off with a table, and then plot them. Make sure that all the points are on a straight line. If they're not, you've made a mistake. And that's the easy way to plot straight lines.